Introduction.
Ah,
The mighty cucumber. A seemingly ordinary vegetable that has so much more to offer than meets the eye. From its humble origins to its popularity in modern times, cucumbers have come a long way. But there's more to these green wonders than just being a refreshing salad ingredient. Did you know cucumbers can soothe your skin? Yes, those spa images you've seen aren't a myth. Cucumbers help reduce inflammation and calm irritated skin. Moreover, cucumbers are a great source of hydration. Packed with 95% water, they can keep you refreshed on a hot summer day. And let's not forget their nutritional benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals, cucumbers are a healthy choice to include in your diet. In conclusion, the cucumber is a powerhouse of benefits. So, next time, don't underestimate this green marvel. Embrace the goodness of cucumbers today.